Hey, how y'all doing? Welcome back to Wixit Fix It Garage. My finger's in the way. This week I'm gonna show y'all how to make a lamp out of whiskey bottles, champagne. I think this one's even probably a bank. I'm not gonna do that one, but this one here, I'd already taped it up there and started, so we're gonna work on this one. But anyway, we'll get to it here in a minute. I took this old thing out of a old lamp we were going to throw away, which you can buy the lamp kits on eBay for about 10 or 12 bucks. But anyway, I had this one, so I'm just gonna use it to make one. I guess I better take that out first. Cut this off. I'm gonna drill this out here. I already you don't want to push it, you just let the weight of the drill do it. But I already started it, but I just wanted to show y'all. Just mark it, find your center and mark it, and put you a piece of tape on there, then cut that out, and that way it'll keep it from cracking on you. And I think these things, they go on the top of the liquor bottle. I think they'll keep it from splashing. I'm not sure. Like I said, I don't drink, but that wasn't always the case. So as you get older, you kind of move away from stuff like that. Didn't work as good as I'd hoped. I got some little snips here. There you go. You just want it to fit on there snug. That way it'll sit there, help hold it. Anyway, yeah, that's pretty much what you want, but we're gonna make something to help hold that. Well, the lid will help hold it though. to, or attempt to. Just flat down. Now be careful when you're doing this. I mean, I got a vise over there, but it's just easier to hold it with your hand. But be careful, don't hit yourself with that bit. I'm going to take that out just a little more. If that's too big or not. That won't work. There we go. Alright, that'll work for now. We'll get it straightened up here in a minute. Put the cord in. What I didn't tell you a minute ago, I'm sorry about that. You can buy these. They're for glass. Anyway, I think they're about $10 on eBay or Amazon. But they work really well. They come in several different sizes. They got all around, and you get a bunch of these because you'll use these more often. But anyway, I just want to tell you that. Alright, let's take this off. See what we got here. This is that old Tyvek tape. It holds on to about anything really well. When I built my garage, I used it to hold that wrap, moisture wrap. Like I said, it really holds on. Anyway, you can take, I mean, if you don't like the straight up Jack Daniels bottle, I mean, you can take the labels off and paint on her how you want. But most guys like to put these in their man caves, as they call them, and they're pretty cool little lamps. But anyway, we're gonna, let's see, let me put this cord in. Alright. You can see that or not? I think you can, I'm sorry. We're gonna strip these. is gonna have to be right up through here. Anyway, let's see. That's the ground. I don't want to use these. I don't have enough room for those other ones, which I hate. Alright, so we can solder these. Here's that lamp. I had to make the shade. Like I said, I pretty much dug this thing out of the trash. She throwed it away. It was been in the garage for years. But anyway, just a quick take. You just want to drill you a hole in the bottom and find you an old lamp, of course, and get the hardware off of it. Just put you a hole in here and take the nut off the hardware, pull up on that cap, that way it'll tighten down. I mean, they're really simple. I'm gonna paint this with something where it'll look better. I mean, that's all you do. You can make different ones. And like over here, I got all these old bottles. I mean, you can make them. That one probably a cool one. The Kraken. Like I said, it'd be good for your man cave or a poo house, or you got a poo table room, game room sort of. But anyway, thanks for watching.